Yesterday we learned about the mitzvah of wearing the head tefillin. Today's mitzvah is the mitzvah of putting on the hand tefillin. As the verse says in the Shema, "Ukshatam la'ot al yadecha," you should tie them for a sign on your hand. The Rambam brings proof from the Talmud that these are considered two separate mitzvot. Most of the details of this mitzvah, the Torah doesn't even tell us. The fact that they're supposed to be black, the fact that we have these square boxes, they should be with ink on a parchment, and exactly what should be written inside. The Torah doesn't tell us any of this information, but it was passed down, there's a tradition, all the way from Moshe Rabbeinu. It's a halacha, the Moshe Sinai. It was given orally. In each one of the tefillin, the head and the hand tefillin, there are 4 sections written. On the hand tefillin, these 4 sections of the Torah are just written on one parchment. On the head tefillin, each section is written on a different parchment, and each parchment is in a different compartment on the tefillin. That's why you'll notice on the head tefillin, there's like these lines, these grooves on the tefillin. That's because there are 4 different compartments in each one containing another parchment with another section from the Torah on it. So why is it that women are exempt from putting on tefillin? I mean, the basic reason we all know is because women are exempt from any mitzvah which is bound by time. But that seems to be not enough, because there are many mitzvahs which are bound by time and women are exempt. Nevertheless, women, of their own accord, have taken it upon themselves to go voluntarily and to fulfill these mitzvahs, like shofar, lulav. So why is it that they didn't decide to put on tefillin? There's a number of answers to this question, but for today we'll just discuss one answer, which is the Hasidic explanation for this. Why does anyone wear tefillin? What's the point of putting on tefillin? What are tefillin supposed to achieve? So tefillin, which we put on the head and on the arm, are in order for a person to bind his mind and his heart and his emotions. We put it on the arm opposite the heart, to Hashem, to the Almighty. It's in order to make the person be mindful of Hashem, both in his intellect and in his emotions throughout the entire day. Shabbos, we don't put on tefillin, because Shabbos, we're all holier, we're in a holier state, and therefore we are automatically more mindful and conscious and aware of Hashem. We don't need the reminder of tefillin for that. It's achieved by itself. So too also women, because women are naturally more spiritual than men, so they also don't need the reminder of tefillin in order to keep them in check. For them it just happens naturally, and therefore they don't need the reminder of the tefillin.